Hi everyone, my name is Courtney-Ann Wallace, your local realtor, and today we're showcasing this property in the Millsborough area listed by Miss Rachel Allen of Keller, Jamaica. It is on the market for $3,000. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and I promise this will be an amazing property tour. Let's get started. Upon entering the apartment, it's easy to forget you're in an apartment style property as it really feels like home. It is super spacious and everything in the property was modern. My favorite part of this property was the kitchen area. Going into the kitchen, the countertops were pristine, the appliances were pristine, the double sinks were pristine, the extendable kitchen faucet was pristine with 2 variations of water. And in addition to that, the overhead view of the kitchen showed a lot of spacious cabinets, including space for a dishwasher. Moving along, I really did go into this kitchen and inspect everything, including opening up the stove area and looking at what's inside. If you like to cook or bake, just like me, you know a stove like this is perfect. The double door fridge is nicely situated within the pantry space, and upon opening up everything including the doors, you really get a feel of just how much storage this kitchen has to offer. Looking at the kitchen area standing from the balcony door, you really see how spacious everything is. You can easily fit a dining room table as well as a fully furnished living room set. Going through the kitchen into the laundry area, there is a stackable washer and dryer, all modern appliances, as well as a wash area for you to do hand washing. Now going back to the balcony that I mentioned, the balcony itself is equipped with double doors. Now being in the Caribbean, we are susceptible to having a lot of insects and mosquitoes. However, this balcony door is equipped with a mesh door on the outside. This simply means that if you want to let your natural air in without having to deal with insects, you can keep the mesh door closed and the balcony doors open, which is super convenient, right? Speaking of a balcony, the balcony on this property was very spacious. I'd say we could fit quite a few things out here. What do you think? However, my favorite part about this space was the views. Ironically, it was raining that day, and I love the rain, so I got to see the water trickling down in a stream located behind the property. I got to see the water falling off the leaves, the sounds of the water rushing through, nature's grandeur. It was absolutely amazing. Now, this particular balcony is not just equipped with grill, but also a plastic bordering at the front. Here we are now standing in the guest bedroom, which is located to the front of the apartment closest to the kitchen. It is also equipped with an ensuite bathroom and it directs to the living room. The ensuite bathroom has a singular basin, wash basin, as well as cabinet storage underneath, and a bathtub where we can add a beautiful shower curtain, as well as a towel rack. The bedroom is equipped with an air conditioning unit as per the rest of the apartment, and also adequate closet space. Stepping out of the bedroom, you will notice that the bathroom has its own exit, so guests can use this as a guest bathroom as well. Just ahead at that dark doorway that we're seeing there is bedroom number 2, which we will view shortly. Let's take one final look at the living room space. There's the air conditioning unit for the living room. Now let's head into the master bedroom. The master bedroom is on my right, and going through the doorway we are greeted with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom. Guys, this bedroom was super spacious. The word for today is spacious. Now stepping into the closet area, we are greeted with lots and lots and lots of storage. I loved the wood finishings used for this closet. It was absolutely stunning. All of the racks available for clothing all of the shelving for shoes. I just know that the woman who lives here with her family is going to love this closet. Now, shifting from the closet to the master bathroom, we are greeted with Jack and Jill sinks and a walk-in shower. How amazing! Soft close drawers, cabinet storage underneath. This bathroom is well equipped. Of course, I turned on the water because I want to see the water pressure. This property has backup water storage, but we still have to test everything out so you, the viewer, can see for yourself. Now, we're going to step out of the bathroom and we're going to head on over to the third and final bedroom. Welcome to bedroom number 3, where it also has adequate closet space and a spacious room for your bed, side tables, and chest of drawers. Now, let's look around and see what we find. We have a ceiling fan, we have a window. Oh, I see an air conditioning unit. Safe to say, this apartment has an AC unit for every room that you go into. The ensuite bathroom is also beautiful, astonishing, breathtaking. Singular sink, just like bedroom number 1, towel rack, a shower, walk-in shower with stainless steel finishes, and I like that they used a rough textured tile for the floor, which means no slippage. Now, the lighting in all of these rooms were very well done. Even though it was raining, the rooms were still as bright as ever. Stepping out of the bathroom, we're going to revisit the closet area. Let me open up the doors and see what's inside. I see a lot of soft close drawers, racks, space for my handbags, or if you're a man, space for your knickknacks and your things. And also, I saw moisture absorbing particles in the closet. It's called damp raid. I did look it up on Walmart, and I think the owner just had that around to ensure that there is no mold or moisture in the air. Now it's time to close up this apartment and head outside. This is what the corridor looks like. This is what your front view looks like. Those are your emergency stairs, and this is a coded keyed grill that brings you to the front of the property. So there are 2 ways to enter. Well, 3 ways. You can walk from the stairs from the basement, you can take the elevator up, or you can take this front entrance, given that you walked from the gate and you don't have to park. This is what the extremities of the building look like. And in fine style on this channel, you guys know I have to walk around, I have to show you what everything looks like. If I'm being completely honest, at this point I was well barefooted in the complex because it was raining. I wanted to feel the rain on my skin because no one else could do it for me. Now, we're about to wrap up the tour, and you guys know on this channel, I save the best for last. Can you guess what the best part of this property was? If you're guessing a pool area, you are absolutely correct. Let us go downstairs to the pool area where we're gonna get our feet wet and enjoy some amazing views and fresh air. The pool was super clean, and it's connected to this balcony, which you could also see from your balcony in the apartment, which I had showed you earlier in this clip. They had their rules for the pool on the wall, and once you're done with that, you hop in the elevator, you jump in your car, and you go about your day. Comment below, what was your favorite part of this tour? For me, it was the kitchen and it was the pool. As always, remember to subscribe, like, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.